I'm sick. I can't go to work. I saw that reel.
What
saw
reel?
it. I'm sick. Check, check. 1, 2, 3. Hello, little cuties. Welcome to the season finale of Pink Flags Only. Two girls, two mics, two personalities, but same chaos.
Hello, everyone.
How are you guys?
I just hope everyone's healthy.
Wealthy?
Wealthy.
Yeah.
Yo. That's what we are manifesting for us and our listeners.
Yes, totally.
Yes.
So, oh my god, that was like so on point and together.
Mama,
Yeah.
we have come to the season finale
Yeah.
of Pink Flags Only,
Oh my goodness.
season 1.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
I still want to go on,
Obviously.
but then this season has to come to an end
Hmm.
for a better and fresh start.
Yes.
We're going to have so much to talk about.
Totally.
What is this episode going to be about?
It's a recap, it's a rewind, it's a review, it's rapid fire round.
There are a lot of R's.
Yes.
Randy Rana.
Yes.
So, what are we going to start with for the recap?
Recap, I think we started the
Mhm.
season with our relationship status.
Mm-hmm.
So how about we recap it for our listeners, because there are many updates, to be very honest.
Yeah. Too many.
Yeah. So, Mama, your relationship status has changed. It has changed for
Yes.
good. It has changed for so better things right now.
I know, right? I mean,
Yeah.
I still can't believe it, but I am in a committed relationship,
Wow.
and
I
I
am
am.
so happy.
I know. I didn't know or think that
This would happen.
this would happen, and it
and so
just did.
quickly.
Yeah.
I mean, you were in a dating kind of phase
Not even-
back when it was
Ye-
December.
Yeah,
It's Feb right now, and you are in a totally committed relationship,
I know.
right? And
Yes.
nazar na lage, but it's kind of a green forest situation for you.
He's a green fucking planet.
I
Oh my god, I just can't tell you how much has he been reassuring me, showering me with love, and
validating everything.
yes, he.
You are a slut for validation. You know that, right?
I could cry talking about him.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I mean, he just sent me like gifts
I know. I saw them.
for Propose Day and Rose
Rose Day and coming up Valentine's Day. And oh my god, I am so upset about this thing
Day. Why?
because you're not gonna spend this Valentine's with your Galentine. And you haven't even asked me even once this year.
When did I ask you the last year?
We did. We did.
I did. Oh yes, we were together.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We were drunk.
And you walked into the closet. No.
No, that. Oh my god.
Was
no.
that Galentine's?
No, Galentine's was where I got the biggest hamper,
Yeah.
flowers, and
Yeah.
so much of love. from the
I
green
remember
forest.
we were doing that video. This is first drink. No, I am this. No. What was that? That was chaotic.
Hi, my name is Mikasa and this is my first drink is what I did, and the last drink was hi, my name is my last drink and my name is
This is my
Mikasa.
Oh god, that was chaotic.
Yeah.
Okay. So I am so sorry, my dear Mikasa. This Valentine's I'm not going to be spending with my Galentine.
Yeah.
But
I'm expecting apology valid gifts.
yeah, you'll get those.
Yeah.
I know my priorities have changed, but
Thank
you have
you
to.
for accepting it on a public platform.
Yeah. But who wouldn't change their priorities for the love?
I mean, I am your love.
Yeah.
More or less.
You're my friendly love.
Yeah.
I can't have babies with you.
We can if you want to.
No.
I'm a doctor. I don't have to. Moving
People,
on.
we are not lesbians.
Stop.
We are truly good
Mama,
friends.
Mama, let's just jump to the
Yeah, okay. Let's
podcast
not
script.
stray
Yeah.
away from the script.
Yeah.
Um,
So Mama was in a healthy, wealthy, committed relationship right now.
why the wealthy? No, I'm in a healthy relationship.
Wealthy too.
Okay. I absolutely love the fact that, he is head over heels for me and I am the same. Like, we are reciprocating the love that we are giving.
Yeah.
And the love we are getting, sorry. Oh my goodness. I fumble whenever I talk about him. My dear Sushi. Oh my god. I've tried so many new things with him. And I mean, food wise. Food wise.
Stick to the script.
Strict.
Stick
What I meant
to
was
the script.
I am learning new things. What's your update, Mikasa?
So I think the last when I discussed,
Mm-hmm.
it was that I am not open
Mm-hmm.
to meeting new people,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm not even looking for
Yeah,
any
you
chance.
had completely closed up yourself.
Yeah,
You were not actively.
एकदम पत्थर वाला दिल.
Yeah, stone-hearted bitch.
You would be happy
Mm-hmm.
that I am kind of opening up.
Yeah, we haven't given each other updates in a really long time.
Yes,
So
so
this is
this
this
is news.
episode.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
A
giving
news.
each other life updates.
Yes, so yes, I am opening up. I am giving chances. I have been on 2 dates.
Oh my god, how did they go?
They're cute, nice,
Mm-hmm.
good ones.
Okay.
See, it's difficult for me to express all these things, and you know.
Yeah.
So, अच्छा चल रहा है. Good one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
ठीक है, I am opening myself up,
Mm-hmm.
bringing myself to the platform. Let's see.
Okay, let's hope for the best. Bestest. You know what? Sushi and me, we don't say best, we say bestest.
That's because of us.
Yeah. So, are there any personality changes in you?
Yes.
Okay.
Frankly speaking, I think I have become a little more welcoming.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can actually, sense or feel that change or shift in your aura.
Yeah. Slightly more approachable, I would say.
Yeah, you need to change your expressions too. Please.
होगा यार, like
Yeah.
एक्सप्रेस स्पीड से नहीं होने वाला है चेंज.
Mm-hmm.
और पत्थर दिल पे अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा कोकोनट वाटर जा रहा है तो.
Okay.
What about you?
Me? I feel I've become relationship centric. My life revolves around sushi. My mood, my tantrums, my day, everything revolves around.
So, you know,
me.
whenever you call me in the whole day
Mm-hmm.
and you start talking,
Mm-hmm.
I have to figure out क्या हुआ होगा सुशी के साथ. You know, if you're happy and you have that squeaky cute voice, I feel like अच्छा
I
flowers
talk
भेजे.
like a soft toy.
Yeah, अच्छा flowers मिल गए, अच्छा chocolates मिल गए, you know, something like that. If you're like, you know, talking very speed में, then I'll be like अच्छा ठीक है कुछ गड़बड़ किया सुशी ने, क्या किया होगा. You know, वो सब मुझे अपने आप figure out करना पड़ता है.
I've stopped sharing, I guess.
You haven't stopped sharing. The thing is, I have improved in comprehending your feelings and things without you sharing it to me.
Yeah. I've
So because it's all about sushi and things happening with sushi, so तुम्हारा पूरा mood is, you know, based on how he is treating you for the whole day.
I'll tell you what. The past few days, I just realized that he's the one.
Touch wood.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. Touch wood.
Can you hear that? We are banging the wood. We are banging the wood. Oh, no, I mean,
came out so
no,
wrong.
what I meant was we are
Can't be
banging
anything.
We're banging
more
the
wrong.
cabinet to make sure that we touch.
Banging cabinets is my thing. And right now I'm drinking coconut water.
Yeah. We are not drunk. Yeah.
We are
So
never drunk while recording.
never.
No, once.
No, once we did.
Yeah. But we otherwise we don't. We're just high on life.
Yeah, high on energies.
Yeah.
We both bring out the best.
Bestest vibes.
Yup. And um I just feel like, um you are mentally preparing yourself for something, Mikasa?
To come out of the single era kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yes, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Like beach mein, I wasn't even giving chances to anybody.
Mm-hmm.
Like not even talking phase, you know?
Mm-hmm. Like straight no.
Yeah. Like anybody coming, approaching me, I was like, I'm not interested.
Okay, so you're
And-
coming out of it.
Yeah, and now I have been on 2 dates.
Mm-hmm.
I have met a couple of people.
Mm-hmm.
I have been chatting and being on calls
Mhm.
with a few of them,
Mm-hmm.
and it's been good.
I'm so happy to hear this. Genuinely. I am like,
Arigato.
I was worried that you're gonna fucking die alone.
That is my mom's biggest worry right now.
Okay. Anyway,
Anyways,
so any changes in thought processes over the period of time since we have started this podcast?
yeah, definitely.
What changes do you see in your thought process, Mikasa?
So right now, I mentioned
Mhm.
the thought about me, preparing myself to live my life being single, and my mom being really worried about it. So the last time I met my mother, she sat me down and said the same thing, that she has been getting the vibe from me that I have been mentally preparing myself to be happy being single, to be live alone, to do everything. If you see, I actually do everything on my own.
Yeah, you've been doing it for a really long time.
Yeah.
And
now subconsciously my brain is getting wired that it's very normal.
you can do it all by yourself.
Yeah. So why the fuck do I need anybody else?
Okay.
But then a small part of my brain, a small part of my heart is kind of ready to dominate the whole other part of my brain, saying ki it's okay to be, just open up to people. You never know. Like cooking alone is fun for you, but how about just having another person? If not cooking,
Just being
just
there,
being
their
there.
presence.
Yeah, it's okay to, like for me, coming back to my space after a really long day is what I really look forward to.
Okay.
But then it may also be good if there's somebody waiting for me at home.
Oh, yeah. I mean, who doesn't want that?
So like
I want
the
you
previous
to want
Mikasa, the previous Mikasa is like, koi nahi chahiye. I'll go home, I'll do all my things my own way. And
okay.
But now the small part of my heart is saying ki kuch problem nahi hai.
Yeah.
Let there be somebody.
Company is always welcome.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the thing.
That's a change in your thought process. Okay.
बाकी सारी चीजें तो वैसे की वैसे ही है. Work wise, health wise, everything is going good.
Okay.
What about you?
Me, I want to become a better person and a better fit. I somewhere feel that I am I can give my best test to sushi, and I'm working on it. Also, I thought that I had found the love of my life, but when I googled it, and over the past couple of weeks with sushi, I've realized that it was never love. It was adjustments. It was
Compromises.
It was a lot of other things but love. And it recently dawned upon me that sometimes you um, you're never with the wrong people.
Yeah.
Okay, some people enter in your life to teach you a lesson. Some kind of sculpt you into a better person, and some show you bitter truths of life. But all of these people kind of build you, prepare you for the one. And I have met the one, like whole and soul. That's what I call Sushi. My
Yeah.
whole and soul, my one and only. So that's what he brings to the table. And my thought process is like completely changed. You know what? My brain is completely shut off when I'm around him. I become that, baby around him.
That was me when I was with the Green Forest.
I have to think about nothing. Oh, you have to do this, you have to do that, and I'll be nodding and saying yes. Okay, okay.
It's like, we just have to sit and things happen.
Yeah.
They make things happen around you. It's like, he'll just hold my finger and I'll walk with him blindly.
Yeah. That's what I did. We were walking in the mall, and I was holding his hand, and I did not even look up. I was just like,
yeah,
la,
exactly.
La, 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 la. That's what was going on in my mind while I was walking, hand in hand, and completely shut off.
I am looking for someone like that.
You'll find someone like that soon. That's my manifestation for you.
Again, touch wood.
That's a wood. Okay. So, any changes in lifestyle, Mikasa?
Lifestyle.
Yeah.
I would say I'm doing more physical activities, health-wise. So, I read it somewhere that whenever you feel like you are mentally blocked or anxious or you're overthinking, do some physical work. Let it be simple cleaning. Let it be folding your laundry. Let it be decluttering your kitchen or your, any part of the house. Just do it. So, let your overthinking come out physically.
Okay.
So that is what is going on right now.
Yeah. I guess the last time on a weekend or maybe on a Sunday you were like cleaning.
Yes. I wasn't well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I wasn't well. I was dehydrated. I had bad migraine. And I was like, fuck it. I don't want to lie in bed all day. I am getting up and I'm just decluttering everything. So like I just like A to Z पूरा घर साफ किया है मैंने.
Wow.
Like dusting से लेके सब कुछ निकालना, सब कुछ.
What the fuck? I was like, okay, go on.
No, so that is what I have been doing to kind of escape my brain's darkness.
Okay.
What about you? How about you? What you been doing?
Okay. So I haven't shared this with you, but I am thinking of starting a blog.
Oh.
Starting my own channel and starting blogging, but I am yet to like finalize a couple of things. I've taken shots, but I don't know how to do a voiceover, or even if I should be doing a voiceover or just plain videos. I mean, I'm still.
We can work towards it together.
Yeah, I would really need your help with it. That's what I feel like. I can't do it by myself right now. I have too many ideas, but I don't know how to funnel them and find out the one.
So we'll do that while we are on the break.
Yeah,
that's what podcast.
Yes. That's what I think we should be doing. I need to start this blogging thing as soon as possible.
Okay, I want to tell all of the listeners and our lovely followers a big change in our lifestyle, in both of us lifestyle, is that we have cut down alcohol to I don't know what level now.
My goodness, we used to drink every weekend.
Yeah.
Like-
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we used to be in a pool of alcohol.
Yeah, we used to be like drunk always. But now that has reduced a lot.
I don't remember the last I had alcohol.
We had it together when Sushi was here.
I had one shot.
Yeah.
That didn't even, affect any part of my body.
Yeah, I mean, no, that's what I'm saying. Like, last drink was with Sushi when he was in town.
It's been a week for you?
No, I had another like drink with him, but he was on call with me.
Okay.
I
think it's been like more than 2 weeks for me that I have touched alcohol. Like, जैसे मिकासा पीती है हमेशा वैसा वाला, like 6 to 8 shots down and kind of thing. No. Right now, I would say I have been obsessed with coconut water.
I don't understand how is your body processing that much of coconut water.
I am really worried about it.
It's not good for your health.
Obviously, it's not good for my health. I am a doctor. I know it. But then, चस्का लग गया यार coconut water का. I am manifesting my green forest.
Not the same one. Okay, I mean, I don't mind if he comes back, but then I want you to fucking give other people a chance. You have set the bar up so high that even if there is a greater, greener forest out there, he is going to be intimidated and, he probably won't even try.
Why would a greener flag be intimidated by a green flag? No, if he's greener, he wouldn't be.
You are the red flag now.
I know that. बट मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा पिंक में कन्वर्ट हो रही हूँ. वो पिंक का थोड़ा और लाइट होके फिर आ जाएगा.
उसमें बहुत कलर्स बदलने पड़ते ग्रीन आने तक, you know that, right?
Other than this point, I am a green flag, I would say. मैं तंग नहीं करती सामने वाले को.
तंग नहीं करती.
मैं पैसे नहीं मांगती. I don't need all of your time पूरे दिन में. Okay? पूरे दिन में तुम मतलब सुबह गुड मॉर्निंग कर दो, शाम को गुड नाइट कर दो एंड 10 मिनट के लिए मेरे साथ वीडियो कॉल पे रहो. दैट्स इनफ फॉर मी.
Don't shake your hand.
My hand is shaking because the AC.
No, you're doing this.
Of our followers don't know what this is. It's an audio podcast. Why do we always do this?
Okay.
Anyways.
Anyway.
Oh my god.
Anyway. Also, we got a couple of reviews, right?
Yeah, reviews, feedbacks. Oh my god, I've been loving hearing from people.
Oh.
Yeah, like there's so many DMs right now.
Mm-hmm.
And few of them are friends, few of them are like just random followers,
listeners.
Yes, and it is so encouraging.
I know, right? You do something and you get praised for it, and you're like, oh my god, we're just doing it right.
Yes. So, like, one of the main points that everybody is saying is that our content has been very relatable. So, at like, some point of in their lives, they have experienced a similar situation. तो वो हमारा अल्कोहल वाला चीज हो या फिर हमारा हॉन्टेड स्कूल वाला चीज हो या फिर हॉन्टेड वाला चीज हो, तो
it was quite relatable and they could actually go back to their own memories and relive them.
Exactly. Like that alcohol wala thing होने के बाद तो मुझे 2-3 लोगों ने DM करके बोला है कि like they literally went and bought Old Monk and had it because they have been craving for it after the podcast.
Okay.
The people have been loving our energies, I would say, and what we are getting to the table right now.
So bottom line, we know what we are doing and it's right.
We are on the right track, I would say.
Yeah.
And I would love to build it more.
Yeah.
On the same track in a different way, I would say.
Probably like more generic, not personal.
So, yeah, what's next for the near future, you would say?
As friends together?
Yeah, for the podcast, if we talk about, we wanna grow the podcast, I would say.
Yeah, grow this
Growth,
podcast.
yeah, growth is the
Probably monetize. पैसा फेंक तमाशा देख.
Tamacha suno.
Yeah, sorry, suno.
For us, I would say travel together more.
Yeah,
We
travel
have
together.
been on 3 trips this year.
4.
4 trips this year.
Yeah. But then 3
Have-
out of them were to the same place.
It's okay, but we had different fun.
Yeah.
So
Also, I would say I want to invest more time in this friendship and know each other better. Because I mean, see, even if we have been like friends for some time, this friendship is quite new.
yeah,
And for it to like strengthen, we need to
and
give it.
deepen.
Yeah, we need to give each other some more time.
Do you see the possibility of us moving it together any sooner?
I think so.
I hope so. I don't want to go house hunting, please.
Okay, let's make that happen soon.
What is next for you personally?
Personally, I feel like I should compartmentalize my life. It's like mama has everything going on simultaneously, and it's all together.
Khichdi.
Yeah,
It's a big khichdi right now.
Yeah, it has become a khichdi. I need to like compartmentalize and separate
Hmm.
work, friends, family, and my relationship.
Boundaries.
No, I won't set boundaries in my relationship.
No, not
But-
relationship. Mixing things मैं बोल रही हूँ मैं.
Yeah, I am letting everything affect everything.
That's not a good thing, right?
Yeah. I need to also manage my anxiety and obsessive behavior. I behave like a fucking psycho sometimes.
I wouldn't agree on that, but okay. Just like, let's train your brain in a good way.
Yeah, even though I'm busy,
Hmm.
it's not like I am sitting idle and I'm just like
Spiraling. down.
spiraling. No, I have too many things to do,
Hmm.
and in between all of that, I am doing all of that.
Wow.
So I feel like a psycho. I could like burst out anytime. I've cried.
I know that.
I've had panic attacks.
I know that.
And okay, TMI. What
No.
about you, Mikasa?
TMI नहीं होता pink flags पे. Too much of TMI होता है.
Mikasa, what about you? What's next?
Personally, I am looking forward for solo traveling.
Mm-hmm.
Spiritual growth, I would say,
Okay.
and more networking,
Mm-hmm.
professionally and personally, I would say.
Okay.
I want to get healthier.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay. When you talk about getting healthier, I want to say that I have been on a couple of medications.
huh.
So I am also looking to better my health.
Mm-hmm.
I am starting to go on walks.
Yeah.
I got my shoes out day before yesterday, and I am looking to become a fitter version of myself. Back to the old Mau Mau.
Nice.
Fitter, sexier,
Hotter.
and a little less obsessive. I am obsessed with sushi, dude. I don't know.
That's what love is.
I've never been this obsessed with anybody.
So this is the first time you're falling in love.
Is it?
Yeah.
I have never been this obsessed. I'm telling you, look at my pupils. They're dilated. Talking about sushi gets them like, boop, big. Like those cats.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am getting back on the script.
Mm-hmm.
What's the next season gonna be about?
The next season, I feel there are going to be a lot of great life updates.
Uh-huh.
And we might do a couple of on-demand topics.
Yeah, there were many.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we would be talking about a lot of educational gupshup, like what guys should and should not do. What girls expect, what girls really want.
Why guys fail to hold a relationship
Yeah,
or a conversation
I know.
as basic as that.
Yeah. And oh, how can we forget people in our DMs?
Yes, please. That would be a fun episode.
My goodness. I have actually, seen my friends' DMs, which kind of talked about nice boobies.
Ah?
Oh my goodness.
Not my DMs, right?
No, not your DMs.
Okay.
Okay. And we would also talk about relationships and stuff. I mean, not from a personal perspective, but like a generic perspective.
Yeah. So next season is gonna be funnier.
Yeah.
More chaotic.
Yeah.
More realistic.
Yeah. Realistic.
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 तो चुप रहे यार.
यार Mikasa, it's like realistic.
चुप रहे.
Do you say real when you say real?
Riyadh.
It's real.
Riyadh.
Realistic. Realistic.
ऐसा गाड़ी महंगा पर I need a man who can
Okay,
get me out that.
let's start with our rapid fire.
Rapid fire.
Okay, so this is going to be like me or Mikasa, like Mama or Mikasa wala thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, who takes longer to get ready?
Mama.
Obviously. One thing I do that annoys you, but you tolerate anyway.
You don't think and do thing, Mama. You do things and then overthink.
Okay, I take it. What annoys me about you? You don't?
Maybe because I am patient always. How
you
the
you
fuck
are
am
fucking no. That's one thing, and the other thing is your face shows what you feel.
Very expressive.
Yeah, the moment you're annoyed, the other person knows. You have to be a social butterfly. You have to control your emotions. You can't just let them out.
My emotions are very well controlled.
No,
my expressions are not. अगर emotions out of control हो गए ना तो मेरा मुंह खुल जाएगा फिर सामने वाले की लग जाएगी.
Okay. Who would survive a zombie Wait a minute, I can see it.
Yeah.
Apocalypse. Zombie apocalypse. Why can't I say it? A zombie apocalypse. Who would survive a zombie apocalypse longer? Oh fuck.
Mama fumbles too. It's not always Mikasa. You know, with wrong pronunciations.
It's not about pronunciation. It's just that my brain is wired in a way that it doesn't read like a oh fuck, apocalypse. Said it right.
I think Mikasa would because she would be dead sleeping.
Yeah.
Also, I'm a tiny
You're
person.
a tiny human. You could just hide anywhere.
Yeah.
Where zombies won't even reach you.
And when I'm asleep, people often assume I'm dead.
Yeah. You do look like dead. Okay. Who's more likely to cry in public? Everybody knows
Mama.
this. Mama. Okay. Who gives better relationship advice? I would say none. We both are not a good fit for relationship advice.
Mama gives the worst one though.
Oh, please. My advice is you become the girl.
I am the girl.
No, you become the girl your partner wants. Because he is becoming the person you want.
Next question.
Okay. If we swapped lives for a day, what's the first thing you would do? So if I become Mikasa, I'm gonna go and fucking get laid. She seriously needs it. She seriously needs to get laid.
Okay.
With people. Yeah. What would you do if you were me for the
day?
I
would cuddle with your cat.
Polo, you mean, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, a moment with me you'll never forget?
You remember we came back from the trip?
Yeah.
And we had like wine and we were laughing.
The Moscato.
Yeah, and we were like laughing uncontrollably and to the top of our voices at 3 in the morning.
We laughed for like an hour.
Yeah.
I have a video of us
laughing
and we were crying. And I could
And
actually see your butt jiggle in that video, like you were laughing and your butt is jiggling.
Working.
At the same, like,
and we laugh like demons, you know.
Yeah. Demons?
Rakshas, to be very honest.
Okay. So, who spends more money unnecessarily?
Mau Mau.
Okay.
I tell you, this looks cute. Okay, I'm buying this. This looks cute. Oh, this is in pink. I want to have it. You know, anything. Yeah. People don't need to convince you to buy things. You get influenced by your own.
I am that impulsive buyer.
What do you mean by this is pink and you want to buy it?
What? I like pink things.
So?
I want to have them all. Like Pokemon. Okay. What's my biggest red flag?
You overthink a lot.
You have... Mikasa has a lot of boundaries built up right now. Which, I mean, she has become an onion.
Boundaries nahi hai wo
you are a fucking onion. People try to peel off those boundaries and they fucking start crying. That's you.
High five. I loved this.
Mikasa is an onion.
प्याज हूँ मैं कांदा
प्याज को प्यार चाहिए अभी. Okay. Who texts back faster?
Mau Mau.
Yeah, because I fucking care. Unlike you.
थप्पड़ मारूंगी.
You take fucking one working day to reply. Oh fuck, your hands are so cold. Don't. Oh, by the way, listeners, this girl was choking me. Mikasa was choking Mau Mau
with icy cold hands.
Yeah. I'm gonna complain to Sushi that you were choking me.
क्या उखाड़ लेगा मेरा?
Please, हाँ उखाड़ने पे आया तो उखाड़ ही लेगा. नहीं ठीक है, but he won't do that. He knows how much you mean to me.
I just have to send an email. If कोई उखाड़ने पे आए तो.
अच्छा. Okay. So, if we were in a movie together, what genre would it be?
Comedic tragedy.
Oh my goodness. Tragedy focus ज़्यादा और वो tragedy के बीच में भी हमारी comedy बननी हो रही.
The movie with W के नीचे पैसा है plus all other comedy movies.
Golmaal.
Yeah, all Golmaals together. All the W के नीचे पैसा है वाला together.
Dhamal, right?
Dhamal or Dhul? I don't know.
Dhumal?
What?
Dhamal. Okay. Who is more likely to start a fight and who ends it?
Mikasa starts.
Mau Mau ends it with a punch.
Yeah.
Figures out. Okay. Okay. Where's the next question?
If I was arrested, what would everyone assume I did?
Mikasa, I would probably assume she has fucking shot somebody.
I am on the verge of.
Yeah. I'm really grateful that you don't have a licensed gun or an unlicensed gun with you.
That's not completely true, but okay.
Okay.
I think you, Mama, will get arrested on a highway because she stopped everybody and started teaching driving lessons.
Traffic rules.
Yeah. Not rules, lessons.
Yeah. I absolutely don't like people not following traffic rules. Okay. Who's more likely to text their ex at 2 a.m. for character development? Oh my god! People, I can tell you, an episode. So, my dear Mikasa emailed
Her ex.
her ex
At
on
12.
on his birthday
At 12.
at 12.
Yeah. At midnight, wishing him a very happy birthday.
And you also texted
Another
ex
wishing him
happy anniversary.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No, it was his anniversary with his partner.
Yeah.
And you fucking emailed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have done that. I regret sending him the anniversary mail, but I absolutely do not regret sending my Green Forest a happy birthday mail.
Email.
He replied to me.
I know.
Yeah. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Mama would never.
No.
Never ever.
I don't.
What's the most embarrassing thing you have done in public?
I want to talk about yours.
No.
Yes. I want to talk about yours.
No.
Because yours is like way fucking embarrassing.
Which one? There were so many.
Nadia Bahadi. We have to talk. Talk, Mikasa. Tell everybody your experience.
Okay, so this has happened. I had to pee bad. And I peed.
Where did you pee? Just give.
I peed between two
car doors.
On the road?
On the road.
It wasn't soil, it was a road. So all my pee was on the road.
And people were guessing how
much is your bladder off? Like, you know, my ex was there and a common friend of ours. You also know her. It was her car. And she was dropping us in the morning after 31st ka party. And because बहुत दारू पिया था, I had to pee. There was no fucking place I could pee.
Okay.
So she suggested कि, you know, दोनों दरवाजे खोल दे, बीच में बैठ, you know, just pee.
Just do your business.
Yeah, and get in the car. And I did the same thing, but both of them were laughing their asses out when I peed because it was so much.
So, guys, you know,
I pee a lot.
Who pees a lot? Okay. So, who is likely to go viral for the wrong reason? Oh my god, Mikasa. You might go viral for your jiggly butt.
Oh my god.
That video is going to stay online forever. If we start a business together, what would it fail because of?
Your impulsive buying. Profit bana nahi ki you'll be like, you know, cute Pinteresty stuff lana hai.
Yeah, it would like be good for our videos.
Haan. Do your best.
Paisa aaya, chalo!
Who would flirt their way out?
Mikasa. Oh my goodness, you guys need to see her like flirting.
I'm still single.
Yeah, and I've seen you flirt with many, and I've read a couple of texts, so I know your flirting skills. They're like top notch.
Who would fall for a scam?
Me.
Mau.
I would probably fall for it. I mean, I know it's a scam, but then I just want to make the person feel better.
If my life was a meme, which meme would it be?
Oh, I could tell you this. So if somebody is giving you advice or suggestion, you would be like, hey, wait a minute. Who are you? Like, what the fuck? Who are you to give me this advice or suggestion? Just fuck off.
Okay, the last question of the episode and of the season, I would say.
Okay.
If aliens observed our friendship, what would confuse them the most?
My goodness, I personally feel that both of us, we have gone through such shit, but we have not lost our comedy bone. Like, we have laughed through all the
लगे
tragedy.
पड़े हैं
लगे पड़े, literally लगे पड़े हैं, फट के दरवाजा हो गई है, लेकिन हमारी बकचोदी नहीं रुक रही. Look at us.
I can't stop laughing.
Dude, like seriously.
True that.
हाँ,
True that.
लगे पड़े हैं, लेकिन हमें तो मतलब
People should research on us, you know.
yeah, they should take lessons from us.
Lessons बाद में ले, पहले research तो करे कि what is wrong with us.
No, our brains are wired differently. Seriously. And I think मैंने अपने बालों के साथ साथ मेरा थोड़ा brain भी chop off कर दिया है. I got a haircut yesterday. Oh my god.
I don't want to talk about it.
Why don't you want to talk about it? It looks so cute. It looks so pretty. Pretty. It's okay. I have not said them today, but then I look pretty. Why are you laughing at me? Mikasa is so fucking mean. She's laughing at me. Okay, next.
Next नहीं हो गया, episode हो गया.
हो गया?
हाँ. कितना चाहिए, ये सबसे बड़ा हो गया होगा episode.
हम लोग बात ही इतना करते हैं, like we get so like engrossed in our talks that we forget about time. That's what you mean to me, Mikasa.
Mama,
Hmm.
just sugarcoating me. If you wanna sugarcoat me with gifts.
Sugarcoat. Do you need some sugar?
Yeah.
I'm not your mommy.
Mommy?
Mommy.
Mommy?
No, it's mommy.
Mommy?
Okay, so
I think...
yeah, get on. Please, I'm waiting for you to get on.
Yes, my pink flags. With the same chaos, season 1 comes to an end.
Yes.
And we will be back with a new season,
Mm-hmm.
new topics, newer chaos.
Oh, yes. And probably new life updates.
Yes.
A lot of nice, good updates.
Yes. Until then, please
Take care.
yes.
Keep
Drink.
shining
Drink alcohol.
responsibly.
Yes.
Don't drink and drive. Don't do underage drinking. And please give love a chance.
Have fun, you guys.
Take care.
We are gonna miss doing this. This is gonna be a short break.
Yeah.
We will be back soon.
Toodles.
Bye bye. We love you.
Love you guys. Bye bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.